In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bookmark in Nitro PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here inside page layout, and here you have the bookmark bar. You can click on it and click on new bookmark. Now, for example, let's say I'm going to just select something over here. I'm going to use this select tool here to just select some text. There we go. And then I'm going to go to page layout, bookmarks, and then new bookmark. And there we go. As you can see, it's basically going to allow me to create a bookmark over here on the left, and that's what I like. I'm going to press enter, and there we go. I have a new bookmark. I could just click on it, and it's going to basically take me over there. So for example, if I now go to the home tab, I can click on here, for example, when I'm done like this, and there we go. It's going to take me here. Now I could go to select again, select something else like this, for example. I could go again, page layout, bookmark, a new bookmark, and it's going to add this one as well. And whenever, of course, I am navigating around the PDF, I can just click on, and it's going to take me directly to that bookmark. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.